Tired of endlessly searching for your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you keep track of your most important items, making lost belongings a thing of the past. This incredible Bluetooth tracker integrates seamlessly with your iPhone, offering unparalleled peace of mind. What truly sets AirTag apart is its precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. You won't just know your item is nearby, you'll get precise directional guidance right to it on your phone. Setting up your new AirTag 4-pack is unbelievably simple, literally a one-tap process with your iPhone, so you're tracking in seconds. And for those inevitable oops moments, these durable trackers are water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating, making them perfect for everyday adventures. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag leverages the vast, anonymous Apple Find My network, meaning millions of Apple devices worldwide help locate your lost items, even if they're miles away. Ready to experience this game-changing tracking technology? You can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack right now via the link in the description below. Whether you need to keep tabs on your luggage, backpack, or even your pet's collar, buying AirTag is one of the best investments you'll make in convenience this year. For anyone looking for the absolute best Bluetooth tracker in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an essential gadget. Highly recommended.